change my headlights on my Cherokee. I'm going to show you how we're doing this. It's a really long bolt. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver here, see if we can't pop this thing forward somehow. It should just pop out, or it might not. Could be a real pain. It's going to be a pain, of course, because nothing wants to work with me today. I'm going to need both hands, so I got to put this down for a minute. Thanks. I'm going to use a 7mm socket to take that bolt out and slip this forward, and I'll take the new one, put it on. Okay, hang on. So I have the first one in there. I've obviously got to take it out and lower it because it's sitting too high. These plastic tabs are going to pop out. Just pop them, take them off the light, and then pop them back in. When you're working with an aftermarket cover, nothing ever wants to fit properly the first time, so it was a bit of a struggle to pop all three of the lower ones in. I'm going to put the LED bulbs in now, and then see if we can't get this one in. Well, I don't know about you guys, but that's much brighter. And there's the finished result. Much better. So to make the lenses go past the little tabs, I hit it with a shot of this, and it made a massive difference. All right, so it's now out. I'm going to go match up the other one to it. Well, clearly it's much brighter. I'm going to go for a spinner on the block. Obviously, I've got to do something with the lower lights on the bottom now because they really suck. Yeah, no difference at all. No, not a little bit.